Narayan sir.
Jai Swaminarayan, Tarun Kumar Gaur.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan sir.
Good morning.
Ramavatar Bangad. What about your brother? Is he attending spiritual assembly regularly? Ramavatar, tera brother.
Yes sir, he is attending sir.
Ladka, that's a ladka. He's a very good boy. Not like you.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan sir. Good morning.
Tarun Kumar Gaur, yesterday spiritual assembly.
Jai Swaminarayan sir. Good morning.
Family satsang taken by Swamiji yesterday at Tarun Kumar's house. Very nice, very nicely arranged all the items, and even diya and what is that kalasam, everything. Kalasam is not required, just only the photo of Swaminarayan and fruits and flowers. That's it. Nothing is there. But
Sir,
like,
he said na sir, Satish Reddy sir will say about exams.
क्या बोले?
Sir, he said na sir, Satish Reddy sir will say about exams.
Yeah, yesterday he did not came. Myself did not came, and even Shiv Kumar was not there because we are all in the conference only yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Because we are all
Yesterday,
in
Rajesh sir could serve.
main
Working.
Gujarat Swamiji's conference. Swamiji was there in the conference. Deva Prasad Das Swami. That is why only we are unable to address. Okay, now which student is ready coming Monday, 10th class? I am giving you open. Who is ready? They can raise the hand. Gordon Datta, right? Nana, Gordon Datta.
Yes, sir.
కంపల్సరీ నాన్న ఫాదర్ ఉండాలి నాన్న. నిన్న స్వామీజీ కొద్దిగా ఇదయ్యారు. అంటే తరుణ్ కుమార్ గౌడ్ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ ఉంటే ఆయన కొంత హ్యాపీగా అయ్యేవాళ్ళు. బట్ ఈవెన్ తో గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్ వచ్చారు, బాగా జరిగింది. బట్ కంపల్సరీ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఫాదర్ కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి నాన్న. ఫాదర్ నువ్వు కూర్చుంటే చాలు, ఓన్లీ ఫాదర్ నువ్వు కూర్చుంటే చాలు. ఓకే?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So Gordon Datta, I am reserving you on coming Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. నీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కూడా ఆ కృతిక్ తేజస్
సార్ తరుణ్ మీటింగ్ రూమ్ లో ఉన్నాడు.
నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ గోవర్ధన్ దత్త is the next student.
పృథ్వీ సార్, పృథ్వీ చేశాడంట సార్. పృథ్వీ చేయాలని చెప్పింది.
పృథ్వీ భార్గవ్ అయితే వాడు చాలా పద్ధతిగా చేస్తాడు. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ లైక్ హిమ్. సో వాట్ అబౌట్ పృథ్వీ భార్గవ్? పృథ్వీ భార్గవ్, యూ టాక్ టు మీ వన్స్.
మా డాడీ ఉంటాడో సార్.
సరే నాన్న, మాట్లాడి చెప్పు నాకు.
సార్ మా డాడీ ఉంటాడో సార్.
మాట్లాడు, ఒక రోజుకి వస్తారు కదా.
ఓకే సార్, నేను చెప్తాను.
ఇంట్లోనే కదా నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో పూజ కదా, ఏముంది, ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ కూర్చుంటే అయిపోతుంది. అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ టైం ఉండదు. ఇంకెవరు?
డాడీకి గత 1 వీక్ నుంచి వర్క్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది సార్. అది
సరే, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుందులే. కానీ అయితే ఒకవేళ అట్లుంటే ఇంకో వీక్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు? హూ ఇస్ దట్ అనదర్ స్టూడెంట్? రాగి హర్షిత్ రెడ్డి. మీ ఇంట్లో మీ పేరెంట్స్ కానీ అందరూ చాలా డివోషనల్. కంపల్సరీగా అంటే మమ్మీ వెనక వీడియోకి బ్యాక్ ఉంటే చాలు.
Okay, sir.
Wednesday who will take, either Ramavatar or Ragi Harshit?
Sir, I will take, sir, Wednesday.
Yes sir, after Arishit I will take sir.
Okay, so Raga Harshit Reddy for you on Wednesday, can I fix Nana?
Okay, sir, fix, sir.
Okay, so Friday Ramavatar you take better.
Okay sir, okay.
Friday lelo. Again I am repeating, my dear students, in this family satsang, compulsory student and his father is important, and even other people are there who are there, like just ladies, they should be back of video. They can also be in the puja session. There is no issue at all. And one more important point is that भगवान का फोटो रखना है. जस्ट थोड़ा डेकोरेशन कर लो. डेकोरेशन माने लाट का फूल्स लाके नहीं रखने का है. छोटा फोटो है वो फ्रेम, उसको थोड़ा डेकोरेशन कर लिए. और सामने in front you are supposed to keep 2 diyas रख लेते. Okay, and prasadam means like banana, apple or any cheap fruit you can keep 5 pieces, 6 pieces रख लो. घर में ही खाएंगे ना, आप लोग ही खाएंगे, स्वामी जी नहीं खाएंगे और प्रिंसिपल सर वीडियो में से हाथ रख के नहीं ले लेंगे ना. Am I right? Okay, Gordon Datta, just a simple గా నీట్ గా చేసుకున్నాను అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే నాకు కాల్ చేయి అంతే. బట్ వాళ్ళు చూసేది ఏంటంటే ప్రసాదం, మీరు ఫ్రూట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి లేదా ఏదైనా స్వీట్ ఉన్నా కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఆల్ లెఫ్ట్ టు యూ. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద సెషన్. టైమ్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్ అవుట్. సో which concept we are studying? 1 minute.
Sir, up to mineral merits and demerits.
One minute, Anna. 1 minute. Science morning. Fans रखूं. देखो ना मैं बुक में लिख लेना को. आजा संडे बुक हाई करते हैं. हाई कर. हेलो बेटा. हाँ. मैं धारा बन के नौ से बच्चे के अंदर डाला हो. हाँ. धारा सारा में डाला है. हाँ डाल. हाँ ओके. किसे कौन सा प्रोग्राम? हाँ हाँ ओके. हाँ वैसा. So we are studying about periodic classification of elements. Periodic classification of elements in that. Okay, ma. So in yesterday's class, we studied about limitations and achievements also. I hope I had explained you. And today we'll see concepts related to so we will study today atomic size, next ionization energy, somebody wants to join here, they are in admit room. So ionization energy and metallic character and non-metallic character. My dear students, first we will see what is this atomic size before we can discuss about how it varies in group as well as in period. The distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost orbit of an atom is called atomic size or atomic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost orbit of an atom is called atomic size or atomic radius. Okay, and it is measured in what means angstrom units. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Again, I am repeating Kritik Tejas. What is atomic size? The distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost orbital of an atom is called atomic size or atomic radius. And okay. तुम सेट कर ले सबको हो जाता है क्लास आत. The distance between atomic size, the distance between center of the nucleus to the outermost orbital of an atom is called atomic size or atomic radius, and whose units are angstrom units. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Okay. Now we will see how it varies in a group and also in a period. We will study. So somebody waiting room. Amana sir is not there, no?
Sir, it will increase down the group and decrease.
Yeah, that we will study, Nana. That we will study here across the period. ACROSS across the period. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Right, ma. Right, ma. Okay. Class ma hai. Down the group. Across the period. Down the group. What is this across the period? As we are moving from, yeah.
Is equals to 10 to the power of how much, sir?
Minus 10 meters. Okay. Across the period. Across the period means as you are moving from left to right is called as across the period. Coming to group means as you are moving from top to bottom, that is called down the group. Try to understand the meaning here. Across the period, in the case of atomic size, across the period, in the case of ionization, like this we need. As you are moving from left to right, apna dama haath se aap right towards right hand if you are moving, that is called across the period. Periods means horizontal rows only. Because this chapter was over many days back. So completely manakenti ninna mummy manchi delicious food పెట్టారని మర్చిపోయి ఉంటాను. నాన్న నేను ఏం చేశాను అంటే ఏదో మమ్మీ అంటారు. సో అలాంటిది మన మైండ్. కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడో నేర్చుకున్న కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్కడ గుర్తుంటుంది? Am I right, Kritik Tejas? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So that is why we need to brush up always. Okay. So atomic size across the period decreases. How it is, we will study. Decreases.
Attraction between atoms.
Yes,
More electrons.
Very good. In the case of group, it is increases. We will see.
One shell will be added, sir.
Excellent, Kritik Tejas. As you are moving from left to right, the electrons will be in the same orbit. As you are moving from top to bottom, due to addition of extra shell, that is why only the distance between the nucleus to the electron is increasing. Therefore, atomic size increases in the case of group. Atomic size decreases in the case of period. Harshit Reddy, Nana, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Right. What about Gordon Datta, Prithvi? So we will take some examples.
Sir, understanding.
So hydrogen is there.
Yes, sir, understanding.
Hydrogen and helium, Nana. Hydrogen and helium both are present in one row. Am I right? First period has hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Helium atomic number is 2. Sai Rohit, are you present in the session or not? Madam jawabé ledu, raatledu annamata class ki bunk kodtunnaru vaadu. So 1s1 and here it is 1s2. Okay. If you take like this, this is the nucleus. In the first orbit is called as K shell. N is equal to 1. Maximum in first orbit, how many electrons it can accommodate? 2 electrons. So 2 electrons it can accommodate. So K is equal to, we can arrange how many electrons? Maximum 2 electrons. So in the case of the first period, all the 2 elements are staying in the first period only. When you go towards group, this is about period. And coming to group, anybody? So first group, what are the elements are there? What are the elements? We will take beryllium, magnesium, like this. Beryllium atomic number is 4 and magnesium atomic number is 12. Okay. Beryllium atomic number is 4 and magnesium atomic number is 12. So here, when you take the concept related to means atomic size, I'll draw the diagram. Please concentrate, every one of you. So this is nucleus, Nana. This is orbit. Okay. So here, how many electrons it can accommodate? N is equal to 1, K is equal to 2. And here, N is equal to 2. This is called L shell. L is equal to, so we can write as here 2 comma 2. Here we can write as 2 comma 8 comma 2. Am I right? 2 comma 8 comma 2. So how many electrons it can accommodate? What is happening here? So in the case of, as you are moving from top to bottom, beryllium has 2 orbits. Coming to magnesium, due to addition of an extra shell. Like 5 minutes. Due to addition of an extra shell. You can see, so here one more extra shell. This is here in the case of beryllium, K and L only. What Kritik Teja said is absolutely right. Addition of extra shell. When you are coming to magnesium, K, L and M nana. So, okay, shell add in the So automatically what happens? Distance increases between the nucleus to the outermost orbit. Between the what? Nucleus and the outermost orbit. So in the case of group, atomic size increases. In the case of period, atomic size decreases. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now we
Clear,
will
sir.
see about ionization energy. 1 minute.
Sir, the minimum amount of energy required to lose one electron. Outermost electron.
So coming to ionization energy, what Kritik said, the minimum energy required to remove an electron from outermost orbital of an atom is called ionization energy. Very good. Ionization energy is also called as ionization potential. Ionization energy is also called as ionization potential. Okay. So the minimum energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbital of an atom in an gaseous state is called ionization energy. Again, I am explaining you. So here, this is the nucleus, this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit, this is the third orbit. So for example, if you take a magnet, if you place an magnetic substance near to the magnet, it will be obviously it will be attracted. So because magnetic attraction over the magnetic substance is more. మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టి జడ్చర్లలో భావేశారు ఇంట్లో పెట్టి అక్కడి నుంచి అతుక్కోమంటే అవుతుందా? If the object was magnetic substance was not placed within the magnetic field, it cannot be attracted. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it or not? So here also in the case of ionization energy, nucleus attraction over the electron will be more in the first orbit, will be less in the second orbit, will be still less in the third orbit. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మనం వంట చేస్తున్నాము, ఇంట్లో వంట చేసేటప్పుడు పొయ్యి మీద పెట్టాలి అంతే కదా. పొయ్యి మీద ఏదన్నా అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ వాంట్ టు హీట్ వాటర్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి ప్లేస్, దట్ వెజల్ హ్యాస్ టు ప్లేస్ ఆన్ ద స్టవ్. Is it or not? It is not like Birbal and Akbar story like this. If you suspend somewhere else and here down you are putting a flame, the food will be cooked. It is not possible. Is it or not? In the same way, the nucleus, the electrons which are very near to the nucleus will have nucleus attraction over the electron will be more. As the orbit is increasing, nucleus attraction over the electron will be decreases. So, ikkadunna electron ni, third orbit lo unna electron ni, you want to remove the electron which is present in the third orbit. So there you require how much energy? Very less energy. That is called ionization energy. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbit of an atom is called ionization energy. The electron suppose present in the first orbit, there you require maximum energy to remove the electron from the first orbit. But as the electron is going away from the nucleus, there we require less amount of energy to remove the electron from the outermost orbital of an atom. That is called ionization energy or ionization potential. Prithvi Bhargav, do you have any doubt related to this concept?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Okay, so it is measured in what? What are the units, Kritik? Come on, Kritik. Units of ionization energy. Kritik Tejas. What happened? Kilocalories per mole or kilojoules per mole, Nana. మర్చిపోవద్దు నాన్న, నీ మీద మాకు చాలా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది. నువ్వే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పకపోతే ఎలా? నాట్ ఓన్లీ కృతిక్, పృథ్వీ ఆల్సో కెన్ ఆన్సర్. వాడు సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటున్నాడు, చదవటం లేదు. మీరంతా ఇంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి, మర్చిపోతే ఎలా? సో ionization energy is also called as ionization potential, which is 3 units are there: kilocalories per mole or kilojoule per mole or electron volt. 1 minute, please write down. Okay, I have written the points. Units of ionization energy is electron volt, kilocalories per mole or kilojoules per mole. Okay, so I am clearing the screen.
Sir, kilo calories per mole, kilo joularies per mole, ingoti
Calorie per mole. Calorie
sir,
అనేది
remaining third one, sir. Third one what, sir?
electron volt.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Kilojoule per mole. ఇంకోటి EV అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్.
Okay.
Next we will see about how it varies in the case of period and also group, GROUP group. So we'll discuss. Prithvi Bhargav, can you answer this ionization energy in the case of period, in the case of group? What will happen? So, my dear students, listen carefully. Anyone are ready to say? Ragi Harshit Reddy, tell me, yeah, first tell me, anyone?
In group it decreases, sir. In group it is decreases, sir.
In group it is decreases, absolutely right. What about period, Nana?
Increases, sir.
Increases.
Yeah, here, very good point. In the case of period, it does not follow any regular trend. It does not follow any regular trend. But in the case of ionization,
Sir, it means it will be irregular, sir.
Irregular ఎలా అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ దగ్గర తగ్గుతుంది, ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ దగ్గర పెరుగుతుంది, like this it is. I will explain you, no need to worry about it. How much time is there still?
But in group increase because 1 by 1 shell will be adding no.
Sir,
So in the case of ionization energy, in the case of group, increases or decreases? In the case of group. In the case of group.
10 minutes there, sir.
It is decrease.
Decreases, sir.
Decreases, sir.
Yeah. So we will see.
As
we'll
the
take
atomic
one
radius
example.
increases, it decreases, sir.
Yes, correct. And we'll discuss how in the case of the period. That also we will study. Can I clear the screen? We'll take first period.
Yes.
In the first period, hydrogen and helium is there. Am I right? Okay. So here, coming to when we are discussing about hydrogen and helium, which is a stable element, Nana? Helium is a stable element. Am I right?
Helium.
So ionization energy decreases at, okay. So here in the case of what? Hydrogen, and it will be ionization energy in the case of helium. So hydrogen atomic number is 1 and helium atomic number is 2. Okay. So here it has K shell. How many electrons are present in K shell? 2 electrons are there. So it is completely filled. And coming to hydrogen, so electrons are not completely filled. Is it or not? So when we are comparing the hydrogen and helium in the first period, which is the stable element? So helium is the stable element. Please concentrate, every one of you. Stable element. Okay, I'll take one more example. So second period, you tell me, Kritik, read out the second period elements. Read out the second period elements. Come
Sir,
on.
lithium, beryllium,
Lithium, very
bromine,
good. Beryllium, next.
Boron,
boron, carbon,
Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine,
fluorine,
neon,
neon,
Boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine.
oxygen, fluorine, neon,
Oxygen is
hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon.
neon.
oxygen,
fluorine, neon.
neon. Very good. Okay, good. So, my dear all students, please follow. This is the second period, Nana. Akshay Sriranga, lithium, whose atomic number is 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, 10 is neon. Right.
10.
Very good. Now here, when we are studying about the ionization energy, or which is also called as ionization potential, ionization energy or ionization potential. What is the duration? How many minutes is left?
10 minutes, sir. 10 minutes.
10 minutes, sir.
10 minutes, sir.
Please write down these elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. One minute, I will get my spectacles. Here only. Actually, for you, this concept is not there. Directly he said metallic character valency. So we will take like this. Who is this Ayush Sharma? We will see first valency. Valency across the period.
Who members are lecturer Ayush Sharma in class?
Who is this Ayush Sharma? He does not belong to our school, no?
Our class only, sir.
That what is his name? Like from Punjab, boy.
No, sir, Shadnagar.
No, sir. No, sir.
Shadnagar, sir. Shadnagar.
Boy, okay. We'll study about valency first. Okay. VALENCY, valency. What do you mean by valency, Gordon Datta? The combining capacity of any element or compound is called as valency. Am I right? The combining capacity of any element or compound is called as valency. For example, or it has to gain 4 electrons. So first, let us, we will have an idea about what is valency. Okay? And next, if you take magnesium, Akshay Sriranga, magnesium atomic number is 12. So it has to lose either 2 electrons
Or gain 2
electrons to attain stability. So here its valency comes under what? 2 only. Okay, until Kritik Tejas, do you have any doubt related to valency?
Sir, electrons which contains in last cell is
No,
considered as
don't get
valence.
confused, my dear Akshay Sriranga. That is valence electrons, beta. Valency ki valence electrons ki chala teda. Valence electrons ante the electrons which are present in the outermost orbit of an atom are called valence electrons. Valency means the combining capacity of any element is called as valency, either by losing electrons or by gaining electrons. For example, if you take nitrogen, what is its atomic number? 7. Am I right?
7.
It has to gain how many electrons to attain stability?
5.
It has to gain 3 electrons to attain stability. Am I right? అందుకనే మనం రాసేటప్పుడు n3 minus దేహి అని తీసుకుంటుంది. It is what? Accepting how many electrons? ఎవరయ్యా Kritik Tejas garu, మీరు ఒక 3 electrons ఇస్తారా? I want 3 electrons to attain stability. కాబట్టి 3 minus. Like Tarun Gaud, what is it doing? Na plus I will write, because sodium is donating 1 electron. Tarun is giving 1 electron to Govardhan Datta. Tarun is giving 1 electron. Tarun is sodium. He is giving 1 electron to Govardhan Datta. So it becomes Na plus. Ichchastunnadu. So the valency of the sodium is +1. The valency of the nitrogen is -3.
-3.
Akshay Sriranga, you got clarity ayya. Valence electron veru, valency veru. Valency veru, valence electrons veru. Who are there in this waiting room? Headache waiting room. ఏదో ఇలా సినిమా హాల్లో వచ్చి కూర్చున్నట్టు కూర్చొని ఉంటారు అలా. క్లాస్కి జాయిన్ అయ్యేది లేదు, పెట్టేది లేదు. వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్.
Amarnath sir.
So here valency, I'm writing, my dear students, valency, the combining capacity of an element or compound, please take down Nana, is called valency. Please write down, it's called valency. Can I clear?
Sir, today DPTs will come, sir.
Today?
DPTs will come, sir.
DPTs will
Today Saturday, no sir.
Today my class is also there, no, NTSC physics. My dear students, now onwards physics chemistry will be taken by principal sir of NTSC.
Yes sir.
And math will be taught by
Sir, NTS.
Rajya sir.
Raditya sir. Sarvesh, tell me. When I am free, then I will take.
Okay.
Sir, 7 o'clock.
School
sir.
unta
What time
maza
you want,
vastunda
you tell me.
Sir, take 7 o'clock, sir.
7 o'clock night.
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes sir.
no issue.
That's 6
No
6
issue.
o'clock, Teddy was boy.
అందుకనే 7:15 జాయిన్ అవుతారా?
Sir, again we have exam, no sir. Somebody will start later.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
when exam will start, sir?
Sir, exam
2.
5 వరకు అయిపోయింది sir. 5 to 6 ఉంటే 6 to 7
They
time
give
అవుతుంది.
1 hour time.
How many hours exam for you? 1 hour
Sir,
only.
2 to 5, sir.
Sir, 2 to 5 sir. 2 to 5.
Otherwise, it means study hours to 6.
4 hours.
2 to
5 to 6 ఏమో స్టడీ అవర్స్ ఉంటుంది.
better
6
you
to 7
join
NTS.
at 7:30.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 7:15 is okay sir.
7:30 పెట్టుకోండి. ఏదైనా డిన్నర్ ఉంటే చేసి కూర్చోండి. తర్వాత ఈ లోపల ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోతుంది. మీకు కూడా ఛార్జింగ్ అవసరం ఉంటుంది. ఏదన్నా స్నాక్స్ కేక్స్ తినేసి కూర్చోండి, లేదా డిన్నర్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎర్లీగా చేసేవాళ్ళు తినేయండి. ఎర్లీ టు ఈట్ ఈస్ గుడ్. బిఫోర్ 7 o'clock you finish your dinner.
In hostel that only.
Next day morning is free. So example, sodium valency is Na plus. So its valency is 1.
DPTs will come, sir, today.
Today it comes, Nana. నేను చూస్తాను, రాగానే పంపిస్తాను. Chlorine, its valency, anybody? Chlorine valency is -1. Am I right? So it is
Sir,
plus 1 and
NaCl.
minus
A
1.
plus Cl minus.
Magnesium, tell me anybody. So magnesium is Mg
Yes,
plus
sir.
2. So it is +2.
+2.
Okay. Next, Arvind Prasad, aluminum గురించి చెప్పు నాన్న. అల్యూమినియం చెప్పు. Arvind Prasad.
Sir, +3.
Very good, very nice, very good, very good. Al3 plus, that is +3. Good boy. This is valence. Akshay, you got clarity, Aya?
Yes, sir. Clarity. Okay.
You take nitrogen also, minus తీసుకో ఒకటి. Nitrogen is what? N. First, N3 minus. Am I right? So -3. Okay, clear? Still anyone is having
Clear, sir.
about its valency?
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Any element, how many electrons it is losing, how many electrons it is gaining to attain stability, that is called valency. How many electrons it is losing, how many electrons it is gaining is called as valency. Okay? And coming to, can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhargav. So, Ragi Harshit Reddy. Harshit Reddy, are you following, Aya? Valence electrons. వెళ్ళిపోయాడు Ragi Harshit Reddy. Good. Valence
ఉన్నాడు సార్
electrons.
క్లాస్.
ఉన్నాడా? Okay. For example,
ఉన్నాడు సార్. ఉన్నాడు ఉన్నాడు సార్.
if you take magnesium,
Stereoverse will there, sir.
magnesium will be 12. So 2, 8, 2. ఈరోజు ఒక పని చేయండి, మీరు ఎవరైతే ఎన్టీఎస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో బెటర్ యూ జాయిన్ ఇన్ 6 o'clock స్టడీ అవర్స్ లో జాయిన్ అయిపోండి.
Sir, somebody will write at 3 o'clock, no, sir, exam. Then it will be.
మీ
Then 5 to 6 study hours will be there, no, sir. Sir, 6 to 7 keeps are best.
6 or 7, ఓకే. మీరందరూ డిస్కస్ చేసుకొని ఒక టైం పెట్టండి.
Sir, 6 to 7, sir. 6 to 7, okay, sir. 6 to 7, okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Okay. So 2, 8, 2. Now here, this 2 is comes under valence electrons. The electrons which are present in the outermost orbit, Nana Akshay. The electrons which are present in the outermost orbit are called as valence electrons. Is it clear, Akshay?
Clear,
Sriram?
sir. Clear, sir.
Like this, you can take number of examples. You take calcium, you tell me, calcium. Atomic number is 20. So how do you write
20,
2,
sir. And
8,
8.
8, 2? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
2, 8, 2. So calcium draw చేసినప్పుడు circles ఎన్ని రావాలి? 1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3,
కాబట్టి
4.
ఇక్కడ 2, ఇది 8, ఇది 8, ఇది 2. కాబట్టి this one is what? Valence electron.
Valence
2 is
electron.
the valence electron of calcium. Please make a note of this. So we will discuss this ionization energy in the next class, because it is not there in your syllabus. Even though it is for first year, it is there. I will explain you. Plain clarity I will give you. There is no